Okay, now we're gonna attempt the startup of the 1995 Chevy. Not really attempt, I know it's gonna go. It's got throttle body injection on it, not carbureted. So this one should be really easy. Got my 2 keys. I think it's only supposed to have one. That long one unlocks the door and that one starts it. I haven't figured that out. I think something was replaced. The store here don't even have a key hole for it. Now since this is electric, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit here for a couple of seconds before I try to start it. Alright, here we go. And there we go. Store here don't like to open on its own. You got to play with it some. Alright, there, AC standard GM 5.7 liter 350 cubic inch small block that has about 303,000 miles on it, but it was rebuilt, so it's only got about half that. And throttle body under that breather there. I'm not gonna take it off. Exhaust. Smokes a little bit at first. I don't know what you're thinking, that's just steam, and most of it is, but there is a little bit of smoke in there. But that goes away. Got your redneck handle warmer. Does sound pretty good. And this is a Cheyenne, so it's only got the single exhaust. Everything's alright on it, all the fluids where they need to be. We're going to go ahead and let that warm up. Here's the pour coat for Jeep. The paint has gotten a little bit worse, but that's okay because come spring it's getting painted. But right now it's not running. It's missing on 4 cylinders, and we barely made it home the last time. So I'm gonna try to get a new set of plugs for that. I think that's the problem because of how many times it's been flooded. But if it's not, then it could be a valve signal. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. Might just get a rebuilt motor to put in it. It won't be AMC, but I forget what they call them, but they make motors that's rated the same. But I mean, some people have luck with the AMC motors that are stock in them. I do sometimes, but I'm starting to get fed up with them, really. That motor in that thing is only 10 cubic inches bigger than what's in this truck. And back, starting mid-year 67, they put 350s in the Wagoneers. For some reason that I don't know. really, this is a nice truck. Glad we got it. We only paid like $2,500 for it, and for all the features on it, it's worth about $5,000, a little bit more maybe. So it's a good buy, really. There's not much wrong with it at all. CB is apparently working today. Got it on 19, and it's not squirrel, so don't really need to with that antenna that I got. It says busy, but it don't have anything on the meter. As soon as it warms up, it'll receive better than that. Still got a little bit coming out the exhaust. Sure, I'm glad that I got this truck too. Damn, there's like 6 jets over there. That's weird. I ain't never seen nothing like that. Not around here anyway. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's it for the videos. Maybe next video I make, I might try to start up the 97 Pontiac Land P off into David's farm. So, catch you later.